Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. For all those people out there that you think your views are a little slow, you want to speed up the process, I hit something that was really amazing. One of my videos went viral. It's been going up. It's my #1 video, the SBD dive bomber. It was shared by, I think, 4 or 5 allies and during World War II. And I'm kind of thinking it's the #1 most famous warplane ever. It hit 4,000 views, or 4,000 minutes in the last month. That is amazing. So if you're tired of moving up slowly, then I'm going to suggest go find a historical something in your local area, and maybe that'll spiral. You know, it's been 7 or 8 months, and it's been #1 video for a while, but all of a sudden, yeah, 4,000 minutes in the last couple days, actually. So that's amazing. I was getting ready to say, hey, everybody, I'm so excited. I'm almost at 70,000, and the next day it flipped 70,000. I was like, what in the world's going on? I was so busy I didn't have time to look, but I did find it was the airplane video. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. Videos are turning. Yeah, if I could start making a couple dollars off this in the next year and a half, probably not likely, but I'm pushing for it. I'm doing everything I can to grow this channel. I know it's not the niche of the channel, but something in the local area, something historical event, and something beautiful. And I'm signing out, and you have a nice rainy day.